MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri rang ba ka sorkar jela konrad ke sang ma haba jing kran ha jing lang plipaj ba yak multipurpose kam dorbar hall jong ka snong new nong ston menta ka sngi ka khatsan tarik uya yong ulong ba ki prasnam bala leit ka sorkar MDA kalayola banthe yak kampun roy haduh kumbasis pa ar potali kataling ba ki project ba pher ha ka ba ka jinglun kalakot shadu ka shejar lais pa khatsan klur tingka shushu ulong ba ka thong jong ka sorkar kalong ba kanom i shadien ya kanugunu ka district bat kithan bat kani kamlong ka basuk bat ulong ru bo sngu kumen banyo i ba ki paj ba harangkat ka sorkar lembat kinong yalam klam daya sngau party ni sngau san perthei gilais no ti lang banshakri na kabanta ka jela hakate jinglang play ka multipurpose kam dorbar hall la sakhi da ka jingdon lang ru MLA ka nongstony uba Gabriel walang MLA karambrai RG momen ki he officer ka district kinong yalam snong ka snong new nongstony ki pajba bat kiwei
It indeed gives me great honor and very strong sense of happiness to once again be here amongst all of you for this wonderful program where we will be, or rather where we have inaugurated this new Darbar Hall. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the members who have invited me here to inaugurate this particular hall, including our honorable MDA. In the beginning, I was wondering that I have not contributed anything towards this beautiful hall, but I am yet being called to inaugurate. But once I received the memorandum for the gallery, I understood why I have been called here. Friends, I am very happy to see that the community, along with the government, with the local leaders, across party lines, across politics, we have come together to serve the people of our state. This beautiful hall is a great example of how the community and elected representatives can come together to create something which is really meaningful and truly beautiful. In the last 8 years, with the support of the people of our state, with the blessings of the Almighty, our MDA government has been able to serve the people of our state. Different districts, different constituencies, different regions, but our efforts have been the same in every part of our state. Our effort has been to ensure that no district, no area is left behind. No individual is left behind. It's not easy, very difficult, but that is the intention and the focus with which we work. I'm happy to inform you that in the last 8 years, close to 130 major projects, infrastructure projects have been taken up in West Khasi Hills alone. These 129, to be precise, 129 projects has an outlay or have an outlay of 1,315 crores. Which means in the last 8 years, in West Khasi Hills district alone, 1,315 crores worth of projects is going on as we speak. And this is much larger than what the district has seen in many of the years put together. In the road sector alone, 600 crores worth of projects is going on in West Khasi Hills. In water supply sector alone, 200 crores worth of projects is going on as we speak. In tourism department, over 150 crores worth of projects are going on in West Khasi Hills district. Like that in education, in healthcare sector, agriculture, youth and sports and youth affairs. In all these sectors, different projects today are going on.
MeghalayaPost.news